Welcome to the in front of me Honor X7, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should slide with our fingers at the same time to the center and then tap on the right down corner on home screen settings. Then you'll see here Google Discover switcher. Just you should turn it off by click once on the switcher, and now when we'll go back to the home screen, we can see that the Google Discover is turned off. If you want to turn it on again by the same way, you should go here to the home screen settings and just activate this switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.